Okay, so now that you know a little bit more about Hamilton, we're going to dive straight in. We're going to start talking about figures of speech and literary terms that are used in Hamilton.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Good.
Good. I'm wondering where our other folks are. I know David and Marilyn will not be with us today. Didn't know about the other ladies. You are here. You are here. Oh, David is showing up. What in the world? David, I thought you would be busy.
Nope, not yet.
Okay. I guess it was just the stage crew people that we're supposed to excuse. Okay, here comes Trinae. Let's get her present. We'll see if anybody else shows up. Are you excited? Are you feeling ready, David?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, from what I heard yesterday, you guys sounded good. I didn't get to, I was kind of in and out, so I didn't get to hear all of yours, but sounded good. Is everybody else coming tonight? Anybody else coming tonight?
I'm a part of the camera crew, so I'll be there.
Cool, cool. That's awesome. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and get started without the other ladies here. Just as a reminder, grades are due today for progress reports. I've updated y'all's grades as much as I can at the moment. Let me just take a quick look and then I'll let you guys get started on writing. But I haven't put in a grade yet for rhetorical analysis or argumentative essays, which I told y'all I was going to do because I'm just going to take one of the two that you wrote. You will have in these 5 weeks, you will have written 2 rhetorical analysis and 2 argumentative. And I'm going to take the highest grade between the 2 that you write, which some of you didn't do the first rhetorical analysis. So it's very important that you do this one and try to do a really good job on it. I would just make sure that you're keeping an eye on your grades. I'm not gonna lie, grades for Q4 at this point are not looking good in this class. And it is solely because of not turning stuff in or not turning stuff in on time. Turning it in late is better than not turning it in at all. But if your grade is like low enough to where your parents would be upset, it's because you haven't turned stuff in. But I'm sure that you know that already. Okay, let me, oh, sorry. AP modules. Okay, so we're doing a rhetorical analysis essay today, and I gave you guys kind of an intro into satire on Friday. And satire, just as a reminder, a quick reminder, is basically when humor is used not just to make fun of something, but to criticize it and to highlight something that needs to be changed. It's really meant as a humorous critique. So we looked at like Weekend Update and the substitute teacher thing, and we looked at The Onion, which is the kind of fake news website. And that's actually where our rhetorical analysis passage comes from today. And this is on Google Classroom, I wish, Canvas. I do that at least twice a day, every day. So this, like, I wanted to go ahead and introduce you guys to The Onion in case you weren't familiar with it, because this is from The Onion. So knowing that that's a satire website is crucial. So this is a mock press release from The Onion, which is a publication devoted to humor and satire. Read the article carefully, then write an essay in which you analyze the strategies used in the article to satirize how products are marketed to consumers. So it's not even just a matter of looking at, oh, they're using repetition, they're using metaphors, they're using this particular type of diction, but how do these choices, which choices are they using specifically to mock how products are usually marketed to consumers? So I'm going to go ahead and read this through real fast. And then if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. Or am I? Stressed and sore-footed Americans everywhere are clamoring for the exciting new Magnasol shoe inserts, which stimulate and soothe the wearer's feet using no fewer than 5 forms of pseudoscience. What makes Magnasols different from other insoles is the way it harnesses the power of magnetism to properly align the biomagnetic field around your foot, said Dr. Arthur Blooney, the pseudoscientist who developed the product for Massillon-based integrated products. Its patented MagnaGrid designs, which features more than 200 isometrically aligned contour points, actually soothes while it heals, restoring the foot's natural bioflow. Magnasols is not just a shoe insert, Blooney continued, it's a total foot rejuvenation system. According to scientific sounding literature trumpeting the new insoles, the contour points, trademark, also take advantage of the semi-plausible medical technique known as reflexology. Practiced in the Occident for over 11 years, reflexology, the literature explains, establishes a correspondence between every point on the human foot and another part of the body, enabling your soles to heal your entire body as you walk. But while other insoles have used magnets and reflexology as keys to their appearance of usefulness, Magnasols go several steps further. According to the product's website, only Magnasols utilize the healing power of crystals to re-stimulate dead foot cells with vibrational biofeedback, a process similar to that by which medicine makes people better. In addition, Magnasols employ a brand new cutting-edge form of pseudoscience known as pteronometry, developed specially for integrated products by some of the nation's top pseudoscientists. The principles of pteronometry state that the earth resonates on a very precise frequency, which it imparts to the surfaces it touches, said Dr. Wayne Frankel, the California State University bioelectrician who discovered pteronometry. If the frequency of one's foot is out of alignment with the earth, the entire body will suffer. Special resonator nodules implanted at key spots in Magnasols convert the wearer's own energy to match the earth's natural vibrational rate of 32.805 kilofrankels. The resultant harmonic energy field rearranges the foot's naturally occurring atoms, converting the pain nuclei into pleasing comfortrons. Released less than a week ago, the 1995 insoles are already proving popular among consumers who are hailing them as a welcome alternative to expensive, effective forms of traditional medicine. I twisted my ankle something awful a few months ago, and the pain was so bad I could barely walk a single step, said Helene Kuhn of Edison, New Jersey. But after wearing Magnasols for 7 weeks, I've noticed a significant decrease in pain and can now walk comfortably. Just try to prove that Magnasols didn't heal me. Equally impressed was chronic back pain sufferer Jeff DeAngelis of Tacoma, Washington. Why should I pay thousands of dollars to have my spine realigned with physical therapy when I can pay $20 for insoles clearly endorsed by an intelligent-looking man in a white lab coat? DeAngelis asked. Magnasols really seem like they're working. So try to go through and pick out several things that think about, like really cheesy infomercials and what this might have in common with infomercials, but like why those why can I not say that? Infomercials actually work, and like why people do buy the stuff that they're advertising, whether they're like reputable products or not. And what does that have in common with this? So go through and, try to not necessarily focus on like buzzwords like diction, metaphor, all these things, but like notice patterns and notice things that you think sound familiar from advertisements, if that makes sense. I don't want to like walk you to the door on it. So I do have this set to be due tonight. So let's use the time that we have here in class. We still have plenty of time. So I'll be here. Y'all just holler at me if you need me.